welcome to my channel. Today on my channel we are going to be cooking some pasta and shrimp. Pasta and shrimp. Pasta and shrimp. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so the things you're gonna need your spaghetti, you're gonna need your ginger sesame vinaigrette that you can get from Walmart. You are also gonna need a red onion, of course your shrimp, and your peppers. You can get whatever color peppers you like. I like to mix it all. I'm gonna get my water, put it in a pot, put it on the stove, and set it to boil. In the meanwhile, I'm going to start cutting up my onions and peppers into little bite-sized pieces. I learned a cool trick kind of cut the onions the way you see me doing it now. Turn it just so it's so much faster and so much easier to get little dices for the onions. So you guys can try this, just make sure you watch your hands. Now that we're done cutting up our onions, we're gonna get our peppers. Just open it up, rinse it off, and start chopping it down into little pieces. As for your shrimp, I never told you guys, sorry about that. I put it in some cool water and just sat it to the side so it can just defrost a little. As you can see, I'm putting a little salt in the water for our pasta and some butter. I use spray butter just because that's all I had right there and then. Now I'm going to just shove the pasta in this small pot. If you have a bigger pot, I would definitely say use the bigger pot because you have to continually keep pushing down until everything's basically in there so it cooks evenly. In the meanwhile, just start throwing your onions and peppers in the pot. Throw a little salt, pepper, garlic powder, whatever you like to do to season up your vegetables. Of course, I like everything with a Spanish flavor to it, so of course I'm throwing in some sazon. If you have sofrito, you can put some sofrito in it as well. I found some big chunks in there, so that's what you see me doing, cutting it up into little pieces because I don't want to eat big chunks with my pasta. Finally, the noodles are getting softer, so you just want to start pushing them all the way down there, taking your anger out. Just kidding, don't take your anger out on them because it will break and you will have short noodles, and nobody wants to eat short noodles. Everybody loves long noodles. So I'm going to just turn the temperature down on both the pasta and the vegetables, get it to a nice little simmery of everything. I'm going to pour extra peppers in it just to keep a harder crunch in there, and then throw your tail off shrimp. Back to the pasta, just stir it up as it sits there in the warm water, making sure it gets nice and soft, or to however you like it. I know some people like their pastas a little bit harder, but I like mine softer. You're gonna just keep stirring, keeping an eye on your shrimp, making sure it comes to a nice simmer. Now that the shrimp is nice and simmery and simmering, you want to get your ginger sesame vinaigrette and pour it on there. I love this sauce, so I just douse it in it. Like, I needed to get all that gingery, sesame, vinaigrette taste in the shrimp. So of course I douse it in there, stir it up, and basically guys, you are almost done. You're just gonna let it marinate in that sauce for a little bit, and it just looks and tastes so good once you let it marinate. The longer you marinate it, the more flavors that I guess gets in your mouth. And bon appetit, guys. Let's try it. Don't forget the shrimp. Smells so good. Food dance. Food dance. It's so yummy. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Write a little comment for me. And peace out, y'all.